how to edit a home page on WordPress. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guys. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can edit out your home page on WordPress. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are different types of website builder in order to create and design your home page, but the one I'm going to use today is called Elementor plugin, which is really intuitive and really fun to use also. And you're going to learn lots of things along the process as you just browse through it. So if you want to create a new page, you can just go to the all pages tab over here, and basically you'll see all of your pages, and then you can also see my home pages right over here. Now if you want to change any other of these pages to your home page, what you can do is just go to appearance and go to customize, and then once you go to customize over here on the left hand side, you'll be able to see home page settings. Select a static page, and then here you can see home page. You can choose to actually make any page as your home page. I'll just leave it to the default one, and then I'll just select the publish option. Now if I want, I can go ahead and edit this as well by just coming back, and after I come back, I'll just go to the pages section, and then here you can see the home page, right? I'll go to edit. If I want, I can choose to edit it with Elementor by clicking the edit with Elementor button at the top of the screen. Now I can go ahead and then make my changes. If I want to create a banner style photo, I can go ahead and add banners. I can add videos, I can add product categories, I can add niches, I can add even WooCommerce products. I can also add a blogging section where I just showcase my blog. I can add a call to action and do many things just in case I want to go ahead and then add those functionality. And that's basically it on how you can go ahead and simply edit your homepage on WordPress. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.